Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Facebook setting, and today's video title is guys how to turn on more activity about your notification on Facebook account. So friends, on your Facebook account you want to use more activity about your notification. So friends, now let's see how to turn on one by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. First of all guys, we will turn on Facebook application. After doing Facebook application friends, you can see this type interface on your Facebook. Friend request setting you want to use, so you can use. You want to watch reels, so you can watch reel here. Profile setting you can edit. You can use your profile setting. Cover photo, profile photo, story option. Story you want to add, so friends, if you tap here, so you can add story. So friends, first of all we will tap here setting and privacy option. Setting option we will tap here. After turn Facebook setting, you want to change your Facebook password. If you tap here password and security option, so friends you can change your Facebook password. If you tap here, enter your current password, and friends you can see enter your new password and you can use it. So you can change your password. Okay, so friends we will tap here Facebook notification setting. After turn Facebook notification setting friends, you can see tag notification, reminder notification you want to off. So friends, if you tap here, so you can turn off your reminder notification. Tag notification you don't want to use, so you can turn off your tag notification. Friends, if you tap here comment notification, so you can turn off your comment notification. So friends, today we will talk about more activity about your notification, how to turn on. So friends, you can see these are notification for when someone posts on your timeline. So friends, when someone posts on your timeline and you want to use this notification friends, for an example, your friend shared your post, your photos. So friends, if you tap here, so friends you can see there are three options: push, email and SMS notification you want to on, so you can on, and you want to off, so you can off. So like that friends, more activity about your notification is on. And again, if you tap here, so friends you can see more activity about notification is off, you cannot use. You want to use, so tap here right side, allow notification on Facebook, you can use. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubt, you have any problem, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye.